Welcome to the Woodpecker Ranch. Welcome to the Woodpecker Ranch.
What's up, gang? Are y'all ready to go on this amazing field trip?
Not really.
Why not, Fiona? Aren't we going on a great, amazing, beautiful field trip? Well, it's just that road trips take way too long. Like, very, very way too long. Yeah, but on the bright side, we get to see beautiful stuff when we arrive at this vacation. Oh, come on. Guys, doesn't field trips take too long? Yes, of course. See, exactly. They all agree with me. The glaze is just crazy? Oh, come on. We're just telling the truth. Ain't that right, Fiona?
Yep, we're telling the truth, Danny. Just get it over with.
Oh my gosh, fine. How about y'all pack your stuff for this beautiful road trip? Okay. Okay, I gotta pack my stuff. Yep. I gotta put my beautiful pink Stanley in here. Yep. Put my Stanley. Yep. Got everything. Yep. Gotta put everything in there. Like, everything. I gotta put some clothes. And I totally gotta put my phone charger in here. Because every time my phone dies, you do not want to know what happens when my phone dies. So anyways, let's go back to packing my stuff. Yep. And then I'm gonna pack some snacks in the bag in case if I get hungry. I'll pack other stuff. Yep. Got everything. Yep. Gotta pack everything. And then, okay, I'm done packing. I just gotta wait on the others.
Now it's time for me. I gotta pack my stuff. Like, I gotta bring in some extra clothes in case my clothes get, like, dirty. You know, all the other stuff. Yep. Kind of. Where's monocles and top? And then I totally gotta bring my rare orange woodpecker ranch Stanley with me. Now, I gotta pack in some snacks in case if I get hungry. Shut up, I'm packing. Yep. Got pack. Got everything. It's one thing I forgot. Something? Is there something I gotta pack? Oh yeah, right. Gotta pack this. Gotta pack that. And I'll bring in a Nintendo Switch in case if I get bored. Oh, I totally gotta bring you my iPhone in case if I get bored, because I might want to watch a movie on there. So, yep, gotta pack that too. I can't wait for this boring road trip that's amusingly gonna take so long. This field trip is gonna take so long, bro. What am I to do? Is that... Gotta pack that. Okay, I'm done.
Okay, now it's time for me. I gotta pack all of these snacks. Yep, and then I'm gonna bring in a Nintendo Switch for in case if I get bored, and totally my brand new blue phone. And then I got to pack these pillows in case if I want to play like a pillow fight. And then I'm gonna bring in some shoes because all that other stuff. Yep. Yep, So, packing some other stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna pack that. I'm gonna pack this. I'm gonna pack some extra clothes. And I'll put them on a bow tie. So I'll look good for this road trip. Okay, I'm done. All I just gotta do is wait on Danny. So, are y'all done packing? I know I am. I got everything.
I got everything too.
I don't know about that, Fiona.
Be quiet.
Guys, let's just stop arguing for once. Okay. Gotta put in my phone. Gotta put it in a bag. Gotta put it in a bottle of water. And then gotta put it a phone charger. And then gotta put in my Jordan 4s into this box. And then, is there any more left? Let me think. I don't really know. I'm gonna just put in more anyways. Okay, guys, we're ready. Let's go to the car. Oh my gosh, this is starting to get bored now. Bored? I thought we were having a good time. Well, just have some road trip fun, okay? I'm gonna be on my phone. I'm gonna just turn on the radio. Uh-oh, there's my jam right there. Bro, why did you turn it off? Because we ain't doing that stuff. I'm gonna turn it back on. Ferrari, I have a Bugatti, I have a Lamborghini. I said turn off. Oh, so you get to turn on the radio, but I can't. Wow. I'm just gonna make a pillow fight happen.
Oh, how dare you! You just hit me with a pillow. Take that.
I have some Jordans.
I'm gonna throw this pillow at you.
Your breath stink and I can't get next to you. You know what? Take that pillow. I need you to get away from my face. You deserve it. You deserve this. Eat some food, you freaking cow. That is it, bro. I'm starting to get frustrated. Do y'all want to go back home? You can't even. Finally, some peace and quiet. It's been times waiting for some peace and quiet. Bro, it wasn't even that serious. All we just made was a pillow fight. Can you at least just chillax? No, because I'm not even focusing on driving us to the road trip. Thank God you're not doing it. Excuse me, do you want me to leave you on the sidewalk so you can walk all by yourself to this road trip? No. Exactly. So let me focus on the road, please. Maybe I was a bit harsh. Of course you was.
For real, though.
I said quiet there. Oh my gosh. I'm being even more harsh more. Guys. Yes. Guys, I'm actually very sorry for what I done. And I never should have just turned off that radio, because I was kind of getting a little too annoyed about the music, but I was just being a hater, So, You can listen to the music. You just have to play on your headphones, Parker. Okay, bet. That's what I'm about to do.
You know, this road trip's starting to get fun now. And I'm actually starting to like this road trip now.
I'm just watching my TikTok. Okay, I'm glad to hear that. Even though I'm still mad, I'm still apologizing. So, I'm still sorry. It's okay, Danny. Even though we in the 6th episode we just picked you up. So yeah. Guys, did you know that this is our 12th episode? So, Danny, how many hours until we get to the funnest? About 3 hours left. What?